It's time for the Intense 5. It's been an interesting week, so let's see what made the list. Cardi B's new Reebok commercial. You're not even focusing on the shoes, everything is about her nails, man.
456 years in prison? That's what Eskimo got recently. He was charged with over 100 counts of obtaining money by false pretense. Wow. That's crazy.
Nicki Minaj posted a Megatron challenge on social media where she's looking for a good remix. And of course, a Jamaican had to take up the challenge. Bankreed says he got an idea and went with it, but was shocked when it was reposted. Wow, you go Bankreed. Let's hope he wins that $16,000 prize.
Yup. So from mackerel to candy, all I have to say is wow.
Let's see how long she lasts. And finally holding the spot this week, it was an all-white affair for the Gargamel's birthday. Buju celebrated with industry people and family at the new AC Hotel, and he looked like he had a blast. Happy Earth Strong, Buju.
Woohoo.
That's it for the Intense 5. Follow us on IG and Facebook, especially this weekend,